Hello, my name is Matt Mercer and I'm an instructor for the Pathfinder School and the founder of the Black Hat Bushcraft channel right here on YouTube. And about a year and a half ago, I hosted a video series on the Self-Reliance Outfitters YouTube channel, and it was called Pathfinder Outdoor Kitchen. I'm sure some of you guys may have watched some of those episodes, maybe you watched a whole season. If not, the premise of the show was basically we had subscribers submit their favorite camp cooking recipes to an email address, and then I would choose one of those recipes every couple of weeks, and I would go out into a camp setting and prepare that recipe in the woods using Pathfinder Outdoor Cooking Gear. And then after the video would release, whoever submitted that recipe would receive a box in the mail from Self-Reliance Outfitters with all of the Pathfinder cooking gear that I used to prepare the recipe. So it was a lot of fun for me because I got a chance to try our subscribers' favorite camp cooking recipes out in the woods. And number two, I always enjoy being able to give back to our community of supporters, people who watch our videos, free gear. And so it was a win-win for both the subscribers, the viewers, and also for me as the host. Now, we have made the decision that we are going to get started filming season 2 of Pathfinder Outdoor Kitchen. I can't tell you how many people I've had message me personally asking when this was going to happen, and people wanting to see a new video series of Pathfinder Outdoor Kitchen. I know Self-Reliance Outfitters has told me they're getting tons of messages over time, and still even people submitting some recipes. So I'm very excited. I hope you guys will be excited. Again, this is a chance for you to win free gear from Self-Reliance Outfitters, and just most importantly, this is a way that we can connect with the subscribers and the customers that support Self-Reliance Outfitters and give back to that community. So today I'm asking for 2 things from you guys to get this kicked off. Number one, if you had a favorite episode of Pathfinder Outdoor Kitchen in season 1, let me know what that episode was, or what did you enjoy most about those episodes? And that'll give me some ideas going into season 2 and help influence which way the series might go. I'll consider your input. And number 2, we definitely need some new camp cooking recipes. If you have a favorite recipe or 2 that you like to cook when you're out in camp or out in the woods, go ahead and submit those recipes to me at the email address listed down below. Maybe you submitted your favorite recipes before but they weren't picked for season 1. Go ahead and resubmit those now, and they'll get into that data bank of recipes that I pull from each time I film an episode, and that'll greatly increase your chances of getting picked and winning free Pathfinder Outdoor Cooking Gear. So I am super excited about Pathfinder Outdoor Kitchen Season 2. I know the reps at Self-Reliance Outfitters are also excited, and we can't wait to get input from you guys and to share back with y'all some free gear on behalf of Self-Reliance Outfitters. So I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you're excited about this as much as we are. I can't wait to get into the woods and start cooking for you again. And I look forward to that season 2 of Pathfinder Outdoor Kitchen. You guys take care in the meantime. Be safe. And don't forget, submit those recipes down below. Take care, guys.